Welcome to Uncommon DevOps Wisdom by Uncommon Sense Consulting. Ever wondered how to maximize productivity in pair programming? Well, today we're going to demystify it for you, revealing some essential tips and tricks that can turn any pair programming session into a powerhouse of productivity. Let's start with an introduction to pair programming. This is a technique where two programmers work together at one workstation. One, the driver, writes code, while the other, the observer or navigator, reviews each line of code as it's written. Together, they switch roles frequently to ensure a balanced perspective and a well-rounded solution. Choosing the right partner is the cornerstone of successful pair programming. This doesn't mean selecting someone who shares your exact skill set or programming style. Instead, seek a partner who complements your abilities, who can challenge your thinking and help you grow as a software engineer. Defining roles clearly is another crucial step. In a pair programming session, the driver is the one who drives the keyboard and types in the code. The navigator, on the other hand, is the strategic thinker, guiding the session and catching potential bugs or errors. Clear delineation of these roles can prevent confusion and enhance the effectiveness of the session. Don't forget to switch roles regularly. This keeps both partners engaged, ensures a shared understanding of the code, and fosters mutual respect. It's like taking turns at the wheel during a long drive, keeping the journey interesting for both the driver and the navigator. Effective communication is the lubricant that keeps the pair programming engine running smoothly. It's essential to articulate thoughts clearly, ask questions, provide feedback, and discuss possible solutions. Remember, it's a dialogue, not a monologue. Ever heard of the Ping-Pong Technique? This is a fun and interactive approach where one partner writes a failing test and the other makes it pass, then writes a failing test of their own, passing the baton back to the first partner. It's a great way to keep the session dynamic and engaging. Taking regular breaks is not just good for your health, but it can also boost your productivity. These breaks can be short, just enough to rest your eyes, stretch your legs, and recharge your mental batteries. Respecting each other's styles is fundamental in pair programming. Everyone has a unique approach to problem solving. Embrace this diversity, as it can lead to innovative solutions you might not have thought of alone. Preparation before the session can save a lot of time. Get familiar with the task at hand, do some research if needed, and come prepared with ideas. This way, you can hit the ground running when the session starts. Embracing pair programming tools can further streamline the process. Tools like Visual Studio Code's LiveShare or Teletype for Atom can make remote pair programming a breeze, allowing both partners to contribute to the code simultaneously, irrespective of their geographical location. Lastly, always reflect and adapt. Pair programming is a dynamic process. Learn from each session, adapt your strategies, and continually strive to improve. To sum up, pair programming is a potent tool in the software development arsenal. By choosing the right partner, defining roles, switching roles, communicating effectively, using the ping-pong technique, taking regular breaks, respecting each other's styles, preparing before the session, embracing pair programming tools, and reflecting and adapting, you can maximize productivity and create robust, efficient code. Now it's your turn to put these tips into action and unlock the full potential of pair programming. Go ahead and let the code flow.